Discover our new HSX3M, the next generation of motor oils, specially formulated to meet the latest API category and deliver superior engine protection. Our full synthetic oils deliver peak performance, top-notch protection, and incredible fuel efficiency for modern engines. For hard-working diesel engines, our 15W40 synthetic blend packs the durability and strength professionals trust every day. Longer life, stronger protection, and reliable performance. Wherever the road takes you. Contact your HS sales representative or reach out today to become a new distributor.